If fasting has so many benefits, then why don't you Muslims fast for the entire year? Why only 1 month in a year? It's a very good question. If fasting has so many benefits, why don't you fast the entire year? Why only 1 month? If you have heard my talk in the second session of this Ramadan with Dr. Zakir, I said that fasting is like overhauling once a year of the complete body of the human being. It is like servicing. Like how if you have a vehicle, you have to service once a year, once in 6 months. So fasting is like servicing. So, and everyone knows that servicing is good for the car. If I say, okay, servicing is good, then why don't you keep on servicing every day? And people will start laughing. So fasting is the overhauling of the body. So that's why once a month, for 1 full month, there are various medical benefits. But if you do it throughout the year, it will not be beneficial. And the Prophet said it is haram to fast all the days of the year. Yes, you can fast twice a week, on Mondays and Thursdays, it's a sunnah. The maximum you can fast is every alternate day. But fasting every day is prohibited. It will not be beneficial for the body. That's the reason Muslims don't fast every day of the year. But fasting once a month has got maximum medical benefits. Then after that, if you want more, you can fast twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays, and the other optional fast, whether it be of Shawwal, whether it be of Muharram, whether it be of Arafah,